Ooh, you already know what time it is, honey. You already see what time it is. Welcome back to my channel, Diva Dolls. If you are new to this channel, stop what you're doing. Please hit subscribe as well as the notification bell. And if you are an existing Diva Doll or Diva Don, then hey boo, welcome back. But as you can see from the frames that I'm wearing, I am talking about glasses today. I did partner with Zeelool, and I've worked with them a few times in the past, and I just want to keep sharing with you guys what it is that they have, how much they cost, what the shipping is like, and answer all those good questions. If you want to see what it is that I picked up for this try on haul video, stay tuned. Okay dolls, so we're gonna jump right in. Again, I did partner with Zeelool for this video. I have been wearing glasses since the 3rd grade. I used to look at it as like problematic because back in the day, I just turned 35 by the way, but back in the day, they had like horrible options and the super cute ones were super expensive. I'm one of 6 kids, okay? And I didn't grow up with choices. So my daughter, fast forward today, she wears glasses and she absolutely loves the options from Zeelool, as do I. I'm a fashionista. I like to switch it up. Today I'm wearing this cute shirt. Shout out to Luxe Vein Boutique. But I'm wearing it with these glasses because they match. They're tan, they are cat eye, they're super cute, and I just love them. That's why I love Zeelool. I want you guys to let me know right away down below what your favorite pair is of this video, and I also want y'all to let me know if you ever used Zeelool before because I need everyone to have their real life experiences out there. Anyways, let's fast forward, girlfriend. These first glasses, again, I adore because the color I think is different. It's not quite like a brown or like a tortoise brown color, and it's not quite like a tan. I think it's like a cute neutral and a cute nude color. I'm kind of like a caramel, like, I don't know, peanut butter complexion, and these to me kind of do not take away from my face or my makeup, but it's just pretty. Are kind of like my skin tone and I really love them. I think the color is really chic and the design of these glasses are really chic. So these glasses have somewhat of a see-through frame, which I think is really artsy, and I love obviously the cat eye. One thing I have found for myself is that cat eye suits me the best. So a lot of these glasses are cat eye, but I did go ahead and get some more traditional kinds of shape glasses, like rectangle, things like that, so that you guys got an idea of how they would look on. Now, one of the questions I was asked is how do the glasses come prepared? How do they come shipped? They do come in their own cases, which is really nice, especially if you take your glasses off at night, you got a safe place for them, or if you travel. And like myself, I wear contacts and glasses. So when I'm wearing my contacts, I have a safe place to keep my glasses. Okay, on to the next pair. So don't come for me, y'all. I only promised that I wouldn't have another pair of clear, like crystal clear glasses. So I like this color so much, I have a second one, okay? So these are different. I will show you the difference, but I just want you to know there's so many options to choose from Zeelool, and if you aren't sure as far as the fit or how it's gonna look on you, they do have an option to upload your picture or use one of the sample model pictures on there to get a fit of how they look on your face. I think they're really cute with like a natural face as far as makeup, and then they do work well with my lashes. I am a girly girl. I love makeup. These work well with my makeup and my lashes, okay? But yeah, I just wanted you to get into these glasses. Like, look how cute these are, y'all. Like, I like these ones a lot. The lenses, they do come in options. You can have your lenses, you know, clear. You can have them with your prescription. I believe they offer bifocals. The website is super duper informative, y'all. Like, go ahead and just find the glasses that you like. Check out all your options. If you need like a wider frame for your face, like the website will walk you through so many options. And I love this color. Definitely check out these glasses. Do not shy away from trying something different. And you have here the rectangle shape, and then you also have here the circle shape. Okay, are you ready for the next pair? I told you I like big, bold, fashionable glasses, so of course I had to pick one of those for this haul. This one in particular is two-toned, and I like it because it's dark. Sometimes I do wear black glasses, but if you want an alternative to wearing a black frame, you may think it's too bold for your face, especially in a thicker lens. I mean, I'm sorry, a thicker frame like this one. You can always go for a dark color, like a tortoise color. This is pretty dark. And then it has only half of the frame that's black. I think that these ones are really cute because like little gold details. And you know, whenever I get dressed, again, my glasses are my accessories. I match my jewelry to my outfit, and I match my glasses to my jewelry, and I love them. I think this is like a fashionista's outfit. Like, this is the fashionistas glasses because they're so big and bold. You're going to get compliments, you're going to get noticed, and you can throw these on whether you're all made up with your hair down and curled or if your hair is up in a bun. Like, you throw these on and go. And I've worn these for a while and they do not hurt. I know they're heavy because of the size, but in my opinion, they don't hurt. Tortoise on this one does go all the way around, so around the arms of the glasses, and then also around the front and also around the back. These frames are not super opaque, so you can kind of see through it a little bit, but also not really. Again, I prefer choosing glasses that do not have the nose cushions because for me, it irritates me a little bit, but obviously you have your pick on the website. And I like the shape. I really do like the cat eye, hence why you always see me with them. But I think that this shape is really nice because it gives you that cat eye mixed with the square on the bottom. So I just love the tortoise glasses. I think they're so chic, and especially with a red lip, honey. Like, yeah, these are the ones that are the cat eye, square, dark colored, tortoise, fashionable, but not so extra. Paired again to these ones. So they're huge, but they're not super big and bold like these ones, okay? But both you will have details with that will get you noticed, complimented, and it's not even about that. It's just about you feeling good. All of these glasses make me feel cute, chic, and beautiful, and if you feel good because you look good, that's all good. But I'm trying a color that I've never really thought about, okay? So tell me what you think. Obviously, I have my favorites on here, which is the tortoise color. But I just saw these and I thought they're so gorgeous. Like, look at this color, it's so gorgeous. I hope the camera's picking it up, y'all. Like, can you see? Look at that green. It's like a jade-ish dark green. Kind of like a hunter green, maybe, actually, not quite jade. I think when the light goes through it, it kind of gives you that idea of like a lighter green. Do you see that? So pretty, y'all. Be honest. Let me know what you think of these. I'm still on the fence. They're not that bad, right? Like, when I saw them on the website, I was just like, oh my God, I don't know about these. But actually putting them on, like, again, I think the shape is cute. I like the arms. I think, you know, those are classic. So if you're sitting down somewhere and someone's noticing you from the side, it's a nice profile, you know? It's a nice look. There's lots of space for my lashes. Always gotta check and remember the lashes. What do you think of the color? Because I think when they're on, it's not even noticeable. I think the color green is not noticeable when you have them on. So look at these. I really like the play with the red lips and the blue glasses. Like, the primary colors are really kicking ass right now. Like, I'm really feeling this. Like, check it out. First of all, the reason I love these is because the detail is impeccable. Like, I really do like how they carry the blue frame from the front to the blue frame to the back with the ear arm. Then it has the gold detail on the side of the glasses. And if you were to take them off and have them just sitting there, I think, again, it's all about art, it's all about beauty. I think the shape of these glasses are really pretty, and then the fact that it's blue on the other side. So there's lots of details put inside of this particular model glasses. Look at the detail. Do you see it? Look. It even has that gold detail on the side, just a little square, just a little peak, so that you get to have that shimmer and shine. Nothing too extra, which is why these glasses are probably one of my favorite frames that I've tried on. Blue glasses. I love them. What do you think? So these frames are smaller and thinner than what you've been seeing me pick out, but they're still really cute. So you don't have to sacrifice compromise style or uniqueness. just because you want a smaller frame or a more traditional frame. I had to pick out the dark, deep maroon ones, as you can see, with the frame around the side still being a cat eye, and then having like that pretty dark pink, like light pink edging around it. This is the side. So I'm gonna pop these off so you can get a closer look. It's a dark color, and then it has that detail around the sides, and you flip it around and then you got the pink all on the inside. I don't know about y'all, but even though no one really sees the inside of glasses, it's those little things that make me happy. Okay, dolls, so that is it. I hope you enjoyed this haul. If you did, give me a thumbs up. If you liked any of these pairs of glasses, leave a comment down below. Let me know which one was your favorite. And when it comes to the shipping time, I've heard it can take anywhere from like 2 weeks up to 2 months. It just really depends. Their customer service, they will respond to you. You can send emails. You can tag them on social media, but I recommend it based off of my experience so far. If you've had an experience because you shopped Zeelool before, leave a comment down below. Let the Diva Dolls know what's up. Let them know what you think, because I want this channel to be a resource for you dolls. I am here for you, okay? In fact, I want you to save some money off of your very first order. Use code CRYSTALC. That way you get at least 10% off your order, and I'll put a special link in the box. That way you can save about $10. Now again, I've partnered with Zeelool in the past. I'm gonna put the links down below or somewhere up here in the box of my previous hauls with them, so go ahead and check that out. I recommend Zeelool because of the glasses. They're super cute. They're very affordable. There's so many different colors. I literally have a pair of glasses to match like every outfit that I ever wear, because obviously if you're a diva doll and you're a fashionista, why not use your glasses as an accessory to your outfit? I hope everyone's being safe out there. Wear your mask, social distance, make sure that you're following all the guidelines. Just be smart, use common sense. But I really hope you dolls are being safe. I appreciate your trust and your time and your support, and as always, stay fabulous and stay fierce.